Hello everyone, welcome to Fiji Investment Trading. My name is Mr. Singh and I'm excited to bring some exciting news for XPeng, ticker symbol XPEV, and let's go. I'm really excited, some great news came out today. So the news that came out today was the XPeng opens a first flagship experience center in a major brand upgrade. So they're creating a lifestyle like Apple, like Tesla, like Neo. They're creating that kind of lifestyle with the luxury on that. So, reading this article, the, the Chinese electrical vehicle company XPeng Motors opened the first flagship experience center in China, right? In latest efforts to branding upgrades and launching the first supercharger station in the brand new identity earlier this year, right? So this store is located in Belgium, which is also the location the first Apple flagship in China. Apple builds a retail store here it was built in 2008. The new flagship store was in 2020. So they are right where the Apple um, store is. Uh, like I said, they're creating a lifestyle, the brand names for the company. The the Xpeng store is about 500 square meters in size, and the interior design is completely different from the past sales stores. Wow, look at the inside. Wow, I love it. So this is a traditionally trendy, fashionable part of the Belgium with adapt design of full version technology and interested users today. Look at the store inside. I love it. Look at this, so luxurious, like a lot of space. Look at these cars are all lined up, P7s. Oh my God. So reading more on this article, we know that on June 23, NEO announced they have a charging stations with a brand new identity completed in Tianjin. The company has time for all new XPeng supercharging station to be built in 2021 with a feature new design. Right, we expecting more on that. Earlier this month, we know showing the vehicles were delivered for the May, uh, were 5,686, uh, with the 483% jump from the year ago and the 10.47% from more than in April. So they're definitely producing more vehicles due to the chip shortage that we're all aware of it, right? So Xpeng delivered 3,997 P7s in May, the highest monthly delivered since in massive deliveries in 2020. That's huge. That's huge on that. That's definitely huge. This was driven by the lower price of P7 Ultimate Icon precipitated batteries, which Xpeng said has seen to a strong demand in March. Deliveries in model began in May and were up 20% command in compared to April. In the first quarter, any expected to deliver 15,500 and 16,000 vehicles, around roughly 16,000 vehicles in the quarter, up to 308%, right? Given with the delivery in 10,883 in April and May, Xpeng could deliver 4,566 or 5,167 vehicles in June to meet the previous guideline. Does not seem to be difficulty, right? Because they are producing roughly about 6 to 7,000, 6 to 7, between 5 to 6 thousand vehicles in each month, which is great. And this is what the new supercharging station. There was an article in June, a new supercharging station on that. So that is a great news that came out today about the experience, the look of flagship stores for XPeng, right? I'm excited. Even with the with the Xpeng forecast and the price targets, right? If you look at it, we're in buy of right here, of 7 buys, right? Average price, right, of $47.60, high $57, average is 47.66, and low of $34. This is only a 12 months period, right? So this is nothing like for next couple of years like that. I can see this Xpeng to be around over $70 end of this year. Definitely, I can see this because the all-time high was $74.50. So I'm very optimistic that by end of this year we can see around trading between $75 to $80 end of this year. Definitely has a full potential of this vehicle, this company. Let's look at the stock, right? And in my previous video kept mentioning that keep an eye on this moving average. The pink in the moving average you can see on my screen is the 200-day moving average. The greenish color you can see, yeah, it's a 60-day. The blue line is the 200-day. Yes, we have been trading massively for a month, right? On 1 month and 1 hour time frame, look at the support on that we had. It was $22.73. We are up to $37.11. So we had a massive run with creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And every time we tested the 60-day moving average, we acted as support as a time frame. It has validated it, give the validation on it, and has created in higher highs. So looking good on the 1 year time frame with 1 hour chart. With the year, we go back quickly to look at it, and we can see that we are all the moving average, we are trading below the moving averages. We need to test this. Definitely we need to test that $75.55. Once we break it out, the next key level that we'll be looking at $43 around there. But I would expect to have a little bit of pullback around $34 and then create another higher highs on that. The RSI is oversold right now. Unfortunately, needs to cool off a little bit on the technical side on that, in order to create an higher highs right now, because we have a massive run. We had a massive run from up here all the way up here. Like we had a massive run on that, great run for 1 month time frame on that. But we all know that it has to go pull back, push up, pull back, push up in order to create more higher highs on that, right? Like I said, our all-time high was at $74.49, right? We need to go back, and I can see it going back all the way end of this year, creating in higher highs and on testing with the new vehicle is been getting produced, with new delivery numbers are coming in, the new brand stores. Don't forget they have expansion in Norway, so that delivery you'll see in Norway deliveries coming in the third quarter pretty much, and then we'll have a lift off. That's we're looking at it around in September and October. Like I said, I'm not sleeping on this stock. I love this stock. I have shares in this stock. I love it. I'm a big believer in EV companies, especially like XPeng, Tesla, and NIO, right? So I definitely see there's uptrend trend on that. So the key levels we need to keep an eye moving forward on the next trading days is $37.55. Once we break out, the $43 will be the next to test it on. We're trading below the moving averages. All pointing signs of an uptrend, but I need some break up up to a $43 to get a exact confirmation on that, because this is acting as a huge support right now in past right now. So huge resistance right now. So we need to test it right now. Huge resistance right now in order to break it out. We talked about in the previous video that will be the huge resistance. Well, thank you for watching the video, everyone. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe, support the channel. It means a lot to me. Please leave a comment down below and tell me how I can improve the video, or how many shares you're holding. What do you think where XPeng is gonna go in next 12 months period, or maybe next 5 period? What do you guys? What's your thought process on that? Yeah, all been said. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you.